My channel, this is Lisa Locks. I'm gonna do an unboxing today from a waistband that I got off Amazon. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. So welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, hit the notification button, subscribe, like, share. So let's get into this, see if this postpartum, if I'm saying it right, gonna hold my little belly in, because I just have a baby one butthole. So let's get into this. Alright, let me push back the camera. Good thing I have a scissors. Time to look sexy. Alright. A lot of cushioning on this little thing. Oh my god. Okay. It looked nice. That's it. I ordered a large. So that's a lot. The reason why I ordered this, because at the hospital, my doctor did give me one. Let me get it. This is the one they give me. So this is it. So I'm going to put on both of them and make you see the difference. So this is the one the hospital gave me. So that's how it looks. It doesn't do much. It just there, or maybe I don't pull it tight enough, but I try my best. So that's it. So I'm gonna try on the one that I get from Amazon to see what's the difference. I put it on. It feels nice. I think it could go tighter, but I don't want to kill myself. And it have these little wings that you could even make it tighter. And I know my belly is crying. Okay, so that's it. Let me pull up my clothes on it and my tights. So it's much better than the hospital one, and it do give you a nice little curve. So I like it. No, I actually love it. Let's see what it's gonna do. Getting me ready. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put a picture of the actual one that I buy. So if you guys wanna buy it, you know exactly what to pick. So I like it so far. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's good for now. So bye. So this is a picture from Amazon of the belly band. So these are some nice pictures of my gorgeous body. Well, I chat rubbish the box side. Look, they look how me look sexy, man. That belly band here, it turn up. It's sucking all the way, you know, up you look. No, I'm sorry, that picture here bad. We love that one here. It's nice.